Oh, this baby biscuit tail head ass lag. Like, what is this? Oh my god. Okay, cute. Okay. This thing be acting up. Okay, it's cool, great. What's up, you guys? What's up? Don't know how many people are on here, but let's see how many people we get on this live stream today. What's good, Bert? What's good? How's it going, fam? How's it going? Yeah, just starting it up, man. Hope you're having a good day, man. I'm praying for you. Gotta stay prayed up these days, man. If y'all on here, drop a like button. Show some love. Appreciate that. Let's see. If you're just hopping on this live stream, drop that like button. Smash it. Let's go. Gonna be doing some crypto analysis this week on the crypto space. So jump in, settled in, and get ready for what we're about to do today. I hope everybody's having a chill Sunday and keeping it, I hope y'all all doing good, because I know, Sundays everybody's relaxed and kickback day. So I just want to say, what's up and see how y'all doing. What's up, Rodney? How you doing, man? What's up, Crawfish? What's up, Josh H? How y'all doing? How's y'all Sunday going? Hope y'all are blessed today. If y'all just jumping on this live stream, hit that like button. You know how we do. Smash that like button. Get the algorithm jumping. Get more people on this live stream. That's how we do it. But yeah, you guys, this has been today was a interesting morning for me. Man, I did not sleep at all until I woke up at like 4. No, I woke up at 3 in the morning. Actually, maybe 2, and then I went back to sleep, and then I started hearing some strange noises this morning. So this week is already starting off pretty interesting, since Sunday is pretty much the beginning of the week. But I hope you guys are having a good Sunday and everything's chill with you guys. I just want to, do this video today, do this live stream for you guys today, because I think y'all deserve it. I'm trying to do Sundays too. Get a jump on the market, see where the market's going before, we even start moving. But I'm about to post this link for this live stream and on Facebook, and then we'll get started pretty soon. But yeah, I just want to, I want to know how y'all's day is going so far. If y'all are new to this channel, definitely subscribe, and stay tuned for the ride, because we gonna have a ride today. Church today, yes, of course, church is every day. Massive quakes hitting everywhere and blackouts. In Cali-ish, it's weird. What's going on in Cali? I never heard that. What's up, Bean Town? What's up? How you doing, man? Yeah, we are. Yeah, I didn't hear about that. You said it's happening out in Cali? Yeah, I'd like to know what's going on out there, because Cali's been going through some crazy stuff. Y'all got some. Oh, y'all! I heard y'all were on lockdown again. Is that true? Can y'all confirm that for me? Are y'all on lockdown again in Cali? Because that's crazy. That is crazy. I can't. I couldn't live out there in Cali. What's up, Shu? How you doing, brother? So y'all really in lockdown again? That's crazy, man. I'm gonna be praying for California. Y'all really need it out there. Yeah, I've never seen a place or heard of a place that's, that's crazy, man. Let's see, get some more people on this live. We live, baby. All right. I got one more and I'm finished. One more. Give me a second, you guys. I'm trying to get this last link sent out. Got one more and we good. All right, we Gucci. But what part of California are you in, man? That's locked down, and where's all this going down at? Cause that's crazy. Let's see. Thinking something big is gonna be popping off soon. Yeah, I believe that as well, man. You was moving rocks in the yard, man. What you doing moving rocks? What you building in the backyard? Oh, you're in the desert. Wow. Okay. You're in Stockton area. Okay. So y'all are in two different places in California, I see. Cool. Go ahead and jump on these charts real fast. Yeah, we gonna start off with our favorite crypto, which is XRP. So you guys bear with me. If y'all are just jumping on this live stream, hit that like button. Y'all know what it is. Smash that like button. Get the algorithm jumping. Get people on this live stream. It's a Sunday. We gotta start the Sunday off right. And if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe, because this Cash Flow Nexus gives you the latest and greatest updates on crypto and XRP. You know how it is, everybody. If you are new to this channel, you know this is. I'm out of being humble. I'm gonna put myself top 5, and I'll put myself at a good 3. And when it comes to technical analysis, just being humble. Let's see. Let's get some price action before the weekly close. Yeah, I was looking at this earlier, Shu. XRP might not move until maybe the 18th or the 19th. But I'll get into that pretty soon. But yeah, we need some price action before that weekly close for sure. We need something. Let's see. SoCal is locked down. I'm hearing others saying the stay away from the East Coast, from the coast, the East. Okay, from the coast, especially after that 8.0 hit Alaska this morning and 5.0 in Utah. Dang. Man, it's wild to the y'all. I see why they call it the Wild Wild West. Man, y'all got some crazy stuff going on out in over that side. Monday and okay. What's up, Smacker? What's up? How you doing? Hope everybody's doing good today. Just wait until we get a few more people, and then we'll really get going. I do want to start off saying this today. So God woke me up super early today. Oh my goodness. He didn't. I'm believing that he did let me sleep for a reason. He put something on my mind and in my spirit today, and it was interesting because I never really thought about it before until today. Really, I have thought about it before, but never as much as today. So, I had heard weird noises last night. When I was trying to sleep, I couldn't sleep until like 2-3 ish, Then I fell asleep for a little bit, woke back up at like 5, between 5 and 6. So I really did sleep, really. But so he woke me up, and when I got up, I went to make myself some tea. So I'm gonna give you guys a testimony that happened today, because it was pretty interesting. But this is not what what I'm gonna share today. But when I was going to the kitchen to make myself some tea, I had to boil some water, right? So when I went to go boil some water, for some reason I was just clumsy today, and I don't know why, but I accidentally spilt that boiled water on my hand, man. So you're probably thinking at this point, man, he burnt his hand, but I'm telling you, it's like boiling hot water with steam coming out. So the boiling water hit my hand, right? And as soon as it hit my hand, I honestly could tell you, I could promise you this, I did not feel no burning on my hand. Just I did feel like a small burn, but as fast as it touched me, that burning sensation like disappeared as soon as it touched my skin. So just as fast as it touched my skin, it disappeared. And I dropped a lot of hot water on my hand too. So there's like no way that I should have never felt that. But I wanted to share that with you guys today, because I wanted to say this: just as fast as much pain that we go through in our life, that same pain that you have, that's just as quick as that pain disappeared from me, is just as fast as God could heal your wounds, your broken heart, and everything you got that's disturbing you. Because it's crazy to think that you would think that it would, and I don't even have a scar either on my hand, because when you hot water that with steam coming out, there should be some type of mark, but I don't even feel it. I don't feel nothing. But just as fast as that I was burnt, it disappeared. That's as fast as just as fast as that happened. God could solve your issues and your problems, man. So I'm just letting you guys know that God's real, for real, because that burnt mark, there should have been some type of burn mark on my hand. And I not only wanted to finish saying that, I did want to read you guys some scripture here that I have that I'm going to be doing later on, because I have a Bible study that I'm going to be teaching as well. Because God put this to my attention today. So he woke me up. He was talking with me and showing me some stuff, and I was thinking about it. And I want to ask you guys a question. What free spirit do you operate in? This is an interesting question. I want to see what you guys say in the live stream chat. I want to see what spirit do you operate in, or what spirit you think you operate in. Because what he presented to me was interesting, because he said we operate in one or the other spirit. And he said you're either operating in the Holy Spirit, or you're operating in the spirit of the Antichrist. And I was thinking about that for a moment. When you give your life to Christ, you're supposed to live a certain type of way, or have a standard of living. So I'm gonna give you a little word today on what he gave me, because I always used to be a little cautious of people that say I'm a free spirit. And like, okay, well, what's free spirit? Because if in reality there's no such thing as free, because you're a slave to something. If you are living, you are a slave to something in your life. And that's the thing right now that people don't understand, that you're people that work, you're a slave to your job. You're like, if you're an entrepreneur, you're a slave to your business. If you're serving God, you're a slave to his commandments. Like you got to understand, you're a slave to something. And that word slavery, it sounds like a bad, harsh term, but if you want to look at it in the word, you could consider a servant as a slave as well, and you could go deeper on that. So that's why it's very interesting when people get mad at the word slavery or slave. You're a slave to something. Just know that everything in this life, you're bound to it. You're just like when you're serving God, you're a slave to righteousness. You're a slave to doing what's right. If you're living for the world, you're a slave to your sin. So So I wanted to put that out there. If by definition, when I looked at the word free spirit, it means a independent or uninhibited person. So if you break that down, if you look at the word independent and the word uninhibited, independent is free from outside control, not depending on another's authority, and then uninhibited person is someone that's expressing their feelings or thoughts unselfishly, unconsciously, and without restraint. So you got to understand, if are you a free spirit that's living for the Lord, or are you a free spirit that's living for the world? So I just wanted to pose this to you guys today. I'm gonna just drop the scripture for you guys to read. I want y'all to read it for yourselves. It's Galatians 5:16 through 18. Galatians 5:16 through 18. So if y'all get a chance today, definitely give some time to the Lord and read that scripture for yourselves and get an understanding for yourselves. But I definitely wanted to read, share this today, because I'm gonna be doing a teaching on this today, and it was interesting to me. So I'm very curious on what the Lord's gonna say when He actually starts talking to me more about this. So it's gonna be interesting. So I'll probably record it and then post it on here so y'all could get an understanding too. So that'll be interesting. What's up, Anthony Fisher? How you doing, brother? Man, Long Beach Griffey. You know what I'm talking about. What's up, Rican? What's up? How you doing? What's up, Reed? Greetings from London. Okay, what's up, London? All the way from London. How you doing? New to the group. Happy to meet you all. I appreciate you being on this live feed. I'm welcome. We welcome you to this live feed. We always enjoy new people on this live feed, and we're a family here. Cloud Life all day, because we love it. So definitely enjoy the atmosphere of this channel as it grows, because it only gets better from here. Let's see. But yeah, I'm excited. Let me see what the comments said. I live in the world, but I'm not of the world. Yes, amen to that. Always try to live right and do what's right. Yep, I agree with that, Reed. Always got to do what's right. And actually, it's funny that you're from London, because I'm actually supposed to be going out to the UK area soon. So hopefully that I could get that going. And you never know, I might meet you. Because I have a friend out there. She's been wanting to meet up and do some work. So yeah, if I ever go out there, I'll let you know, and I'll announce it on a live stream or something. But that'd be cool. Okay, hi Anthony. I know, right, man? Enjoying the word, exactly. But I'm about to get started in this, you guys. I'm gonna be starting with XRP, and then I'm gonna go into down the list of cryptocurrencies. And if y'all have any requests, let me know. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cover all of them, or most of the cryptos that everybody's wanting to look at today. Cool. Yeah, I would love to meet you too, man. I'd love to meet you too. Let's see. So if y'all just jumping on this live stream, smash that like button, get the algorithm popping. Let's bring some more people to this live stream. You guys, let's try to hit at least 50 likes today. You think you guys can make 50 likes today? Give me a like. Let's get this video up to 50 likes, and let's get started. All right. God bless, and let's go. So starting off with XRP, I have two charts on here so I could do analysis a lot quicker. You guys, everything I'm trying to do is time efficient, because time is short these days. So I'm trying to do everything quickly and proficiently. So I'm going to be looking at XRP on the daily and on the 30-minute. Right now, if looking at it on the daily time frame, it's still doing its thing. It's still in a range. If you look over on the right side of the screen, you have this box here. So this is showing that off the daily. If you look to the dailies, if I take this off, let me show you. If I take this off, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So right here, you see that it disappeared off the daily time frame. If I put it here, you see it comes back. So what I'm trying to show you guys, XRP is just in this range in here. So it's nothing really bad. What's gonna happen, we might get this motion. So if we're playing this market, we have a rally right now. So we have this rally to the upside, and then we have this base here where we're accumulating. So this is a good thing. So now what is happening, we have a P wave right here. So this could be a bullish P wave or a bearish P wave. And if this is a bullish P wave, we know price is going to break to the upside. So looking at this, if I'm going to use my Fibonacci extensions and use the wave theory for this, if we get a breakout of this triangle or P wave to the upside, this will be the move to the upside. Breaking outside this box will give us a 32-cent price. And then we'll see these levels at 33 cents and up here at 34 cents. So I'm hoping that this is a accumulation phase that's going on right now. I'm thinking by the 18th or 19th, we'll see prices start to move. If you look at the triangle zoomed out, today is the 16th, so right in here. So if you move out to further, we'll be in the middle of the triangle. Then we'll probably see a move to the upside like this. So that's what I'm anticipating so far. You know, you can't always be certain for this market because it's crypto, because we could still break to the downside and test that 27-cent level. But right now, market's holding pretty strong. The cloud is getting thicker on the daily time frame anyway. So this market's looking good in my opinion. I would definitely want to hold above that 27-cent level. If we do break that 27-cent level, looking at the daily time frame, we will reach, you know, lower prices down in here at that, let's see, 21-22 cent range. So right now, looking at this market, until we break outside this box, then we'll know 100%, because you could get this rally base rally, or you could get this rally base and then this drop. So that's what I see for XRP. It's not really a big move yet. We need to get outside this box zone. So we're between 32 cents and 27 cents. Until we get out that range, we are stuck in here. So I want to look at one more time frame. I want to look at the weekly, and then I'll move on to the next cryptocurrency. Looking at the weekly is pretty strong still. Actually, it's a little bit strong. It's not like overwhelmingly strong, but it's getting to the point where we need to make a move sometime next week, or we need to range for the next few weeks to even, you know, start getting some back momentum. But we shall see how this goes. I still think we'll hit that 36-cent level and then break above to that, hit that 50-cent level. That's just my opinion long term. I'm a long-term swing trader, so in my opinion, I still believe that will be, you know, going higher. We already broke this fractal level. If we don't, you know, if we do fail to, you know, break higher, we will reach that 21 to 23 cent level. But that's for right now. It's just waiting on the market on the lower time frame. So if you are day traders, monitor this on the 30 minutes and the hour time frames for a good trade. So that's what I got for XRP. Moving on to Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Let's see. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? So looking at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame first, to the left side, Bitcoin's market is flat on the weekly time frame. If you see here, the Kijun, the sequence span A and B are both flat. Everything is flat on the weekly time frame, so there's no momentum, and this is due to not making a new high, which would be breaking at that 12k 124 level. Once we break that level, then we'll see the blue line and sequence span A and B angle to the upside, but until then it's not going to do anything. Looking at Bitcoin on the 30-minute time frame, let's see what it's doing here. If I see this pretty accurately. This is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing this. Let's see. Let me draw this out first. So we got a pretty good pattern right here. It's nothing too bad. Let's see. So we do have like a triangle here. So we have another P wave formation. This is very interesting because it actually might take, Bitcoin actually might take off pretty soon based off the 30-minute time frame. Zoomed out, we got this formation here. If we do manage to break outside this triangle or P wave, whatever you want to call it, we could definitely move higher depending on the break, whichever direction it goes in. Looking here, I'm gonna mark this area. So right now I'm just going to label this it's because it's looking like it wants to go to the upside. So I'm betting a bullish move, unless something crazy happens in the crypto space that we're not aware of. Then I expect the price to dip. But right now it looks like everything is bullish for the crypto market. So I don't really see nothing too bad with this market. Looking at the RCI, we see that the midterm trend is moving higher, and then also the signal, we just got a buying signal here. If we're looking at let's take a look at the 1 hour real quick. 1 hour is showing us, let's see, 1 hour is showing us that we're moving in a downtrend. So this is actually interesting. Let's see what that 4 hour is showing us, because if that 4 hour is showing us something else, then we might need to be a little cautious about this market. So 4 hours saying that the market's strong. Only thing is the midterm trend is starting to come down from the positive 80 level up here. So right now in this market for Bitcoin, if you're going to be monitoring this for trading opportunities, I would watch the 15 in the hour time, between 15 in the hour time frame for sure. But right now this market is pretty interesting. Zooming out here on the 1 hour, let me see, we still got that same thing. Let me go to the 30-minute real quick and make sure I make this visible on the higher time frame. So there. So you guys, you got to understand, when it comes to these markets, you got to play these levels like a pro for real, because these markets will rip you to shreds. All right, so here's what it looks like on the hour time frame. It still looks strong. We can't really say yet what's going to happen until it really breaks outside to the upside or the downside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set alert on both of these, on the top and the bottom. Until I get an alert, then I'll make my decision. But right now there's no real movement for this trade just yet, or this opportunity in the market going up or down. So I would wait. So if it breaks to the upside, this will definitely be a buy. If it breaks this line, it will be a sell. So let me go ahead and mark that for you guys. Where we at? Oh. All right, there we go. All right, so that's what we have for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin it's whatever with Bitcoin. Everybody knows I'm not a fan of Bitcoin. Why is this? Okay. All right. But yeah, everybody knows I'm not a fan of Bitcoin. I think in the long term, Bitcoin's going to fail. So let me know in the live comment section what y'all think about Bitcoin. Do y'all think Bitcoin's going to fail, or do y'all think Bitcoin's going to, still be around and dominate the market? I want to hear y'all's opinion on that. I definitely like to know. So let me talk to you guys. Let's see what's being said. So let's see. Oh, y'all quiet today in the live stream comments. You want me to put that in the Discord? Yeah, I'll put it in the Discord group. Yeah, I'm gonna start putting a lot more trades up for crypto. I just found a crypto broker. I'm not sure if I want to trade on a crypto exchange just yet, because I'm comfortable trading on a forex broker. But just because there's so many more options when it comes to crypto exchanges. They have coin. I said coin. They have what's it called? chain link that you could trade. You can't trade chain link on a broker. So I'm debating if I want to stay with the broker or not. So if y'all are traders, let me know in the the live stream. Is it better to trade on a broker, or is it better to trade on a crypto exchange? Because to my knowledge, trading on a broker, less fees, and I don't know about the. I know you don't get when it comes to withdrawals, you have to only withdraw it through Bitcoin. So that's the only option that's that I don't like. But I do know for crypto exchanges, if you trade on them, that you could withdraw in whatever cryptocurrency that you want. So I'm definitely watching that. I'm definitely trying to figure out what I want to do in that area. So let me know which one's better to you guys. But yeah, Anthony, I'll put this one in the Discord groups, and when I'm done with this live stream, remind me, but I'm pretty sure I'll remember anyway. Let's see. Hey, I'm not a fan, but I'll take the money. Yeah, same here, man. Money already made on Bitcoin. Yeah, I agree, Crawfish. Money's already made on Bitcoin already. So now we're going to look at some Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum's doing. So here, looking at Ethereum, looking at the weekly time frame, Ethereum's did exactly what I said it would. And man, Ethereum actually might push higher. Let me see the regular candles real quick. Oh yeah, Ethereum is definitely moving higher. We broke this key zone here. I actually might put a trade up for the group, the Discord group for this. But yeah, we actually have broken this level here, and not only that, we broke this level 2 here. So once this weekly candle closes, you guys, I would look for buying opportunities to the upside to hit at least that $518 range in Ethereum. Ethereum is going very strong from what it looks like. I don't see no weakness in this on the weekly time frame, but I am going to take a look at it on the smaller time frames just to get a better idea of what's really going on out here for Ethereum. Let's see. Yeah, Ethereum looks really good right now. Let me put the clouds back on. So on the 4-hour time frame for Ethereum, the market's flat, Kijun's flat, everything is flat here. So if you're trading on the 4-hour time frame, what you want to do, you want to wait till the market breaks this high here, which is at $443. And let's see, if you want to take it to the downside, wait till it breaks that $400 and 13 level, 413 level. So once that breaks, then you want to take that to the downside. If it breaks to the upside, take it up. If you are going to be a day trader, you want to stay within the 15 to the hour time frame. So looking at it here, let's go out real quick. If you look here on the 15-minute chart, this is exactly how we would trade this market. Take off the cloud, and this is the market you're trading. You're just trading this range. Just all you're doing is doing this here to trade all this market. Just mark the levels. Once you mark the levels in the zones, trade it accordingly. Right in here. Yeah, because the market always has zones and levels that it had that's invisible to most people's eyes. So this is how you trade this market. It's pretty simple, actually. So if it manages to break above this level, just take it to the upside. And if you want to, you could get small profits from here and take it, at least get a 1% gain right there. That's 58 points in the market right there. So you could trade it up to like that. If it breaks, if it has some price action to the downside, just trade it simple. Take it to the downside. Boom, right there. You got your ranges already made. Just trade it to the range and you can make the percentages off that. If it keeps going through that range, you know what to do. But right now, it looks like it wants to push higher. Let me put on the me put on the cloud real quick. Let me see. So yeah, this cloud is pretty thick, so this might actually hold as support. If that's the case, what I would do, if it's legit, I would trade it like an N wave right in there. So we could possibly get back up into these ranges and break this this box here, because it looks pretty open and this is getting thicker. So this market might actually be ready, but be careful about this level. Understand when you're trading the N wave, you got to get past that level right there. You got the A, B, C, and then that D levels up here, but you always got to get past that D level. So this should be your #1 take profit zone. If it manages to break this box, take that trade to the upside. So definitely watch Ethereum if it breaks this level right here. If you're trading this, I would put a buy stop at, I would put a buy stop at 432. Yeah, $432 dollars, and then after that, stop loss probably be down here at this support area. So that's what I would do if I were trading this. So yeah, that's exactly what I would do right there. So if y'all are Ethereum traders, take that. It looks pretty sharp right now. It looks really good right now. Let's go to the next one. Let's see. Anybody a fan of XLM in here? Because XLM looks like it's popping on the 15-minute chart. Let me actually go to another time frame for this one. Yeah, XLM looks pretty good on here. Wow. Let me see what y'all are saying in the comments. Been looking at Ethereum as well. Man, Anthony, you about your money. You about your money, man. I don't blame you. I do not blame you. I'm in this to be a hero or zero, so I have no Bitcoin. Louis, I agree, man. Bitcoin is, I don't know. I can't take Bitcoin serious. I just can't. Louis, is this your first time on my channel? Because this is my first time seeing your name in the comments. So if you are new, I appreciate you for jumping on this live stream. Definitely, smash that like button and subscribe. Dang shoe, I don't blame you. I don't know, man. Having that much Bitcoin, I would have zero. Honestly, I really don't have any Bitcoin. I don't own any Bitcoin. I have all my money diversed in, other things, but mainly XRP. I just recently started diversifying my portfolio, but mainly I trade these, so I don't really, worry too much. Let's see. What's up, Action Jackson? What's up? Action Jackson in the house. That's what I like, man. XTZ. Yeah, I'll get to XTZ soon. I have two more, and then I'll get to Tezos for you, brother. Let's see. I will get to Tezos in a bit. So right now I'm gonna hit XLM. I know there's some people in here that like XLM. I should have. You know what? Excuse me. I should actually call this trade in the group chat, but I was probably asleep. Oh yeah, I was definitely asleep around this time. Yeah, I definitely was asleep. So there's no way I could have called this in the group. If I had called it, man, we'd be up at least 8%. And if I'm reading that correctly, that says 895 points in the market right there. So if you're trading on a Forex broker, yeah, that's some big money if you're throwing on some nice standards or something. I don't know. I just don't like trading on the idea of trading on a crypto exchange is just foreign to me, because I was looking at it and I had no idea what I was looking at. I was like, man, this is so foreign, because I've been so used to trading on a Forex broker for so long that when I was moving over to a crypto exchange, I was like, what am I doing here? Like they don't even have one click what's it called? One click service where you just click and then automatically your trades go. I'm used to that. Like, you just click, or you could like click it multiple times, it'll enter you a trading position. On the crypto exchanges, you can't do that. You have to manually put in each order, and that takes time, like while the market's moving. So you could be missing an order, a buying opportunity or selling opportunity in the market because of that. So that's why I think I might just stick to the forex broker for that reason, because I like to get in the market quick and then click on the screen and take my profit. You can't do that with the you can't do that with a crypto broker or a crypto exchange. So it's kind of hard. Looking here on XLM, the market's flat right here. So the reason why market's flat, we did break a key level, so that's why I'm going to watch this market. There's still 2 hours and 39 minutes for this weekly candle to close, so expect the Kijun-sen to angle to the upside if this candle closes pretty strong, which I think it will. The only thing, we might have a small pullback, which won't be such a big deal. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, it's flat here. We might have a pullback to this level, test it again, test that 10-cent level. So once we test that 10-cent level, then we'll probably, if we could hold here, we'll probably see the clouds start to get thicker, and then we'll start to see some movement back to the upside. Now, if it just takes off, that's even better. But right now, if it closes, pretty strong, I expect a pullback and then a test at that 13-cent level for XLM. So right here will be the next level I'm targeting for XLM. If you take that opportunity or invest in it, that will be a 21% return right there on your investment from that current level that we're at now. So actually 19.40% returns, which is not bad. Now, if you're day trading this, you could increase your profits more than holding the asset, because you have leverage and you could risk more for that trade. So if you are trading this, be careful. I will look for the opportunity on the 15-hour time frame. If you're trading this, let's see, I would take that buy opportunity at once it broke at that 11 cent and 44 level. But I expect a pullback. If we do get a pullback, look for the buying opportunity here. That's what I would do. And then if we draw this trend line here, it could still, if it could still come back down to here as well, and then bounce back and get some momentum. I think the crypto market's going to take off in October, especially XRP. A lot of people get mad when you say that, but I don't care. I say what I want when it comes to the crypto space and what I see in the market, because you have to listen to what they're doing or what they're saying and pay attention to the moves that are being made. And even if they're saying something that's contradicting to what they're doing, just follow their actions. Their actions are speaking louder than their words, and I think it's going to happen sooner than people think. That's why I have October as the move. I just put something out on Twitter talking about it. Let me see if I still have it. Actually, I'm going to show you guys right now. Let's see. Don't lag on me now. But you guys, I really believe that the crypto space and XRP especially is going to go crazy these next few months. Especially October, November. Let me see. So I put this here. There's an article that you could check out. If y'all don't follow me on Twitter, here's my Twitter page at Cash Flow Nexus. But Trump is saying this in this article is a new dollar backed by gold coming by October 1st. So if you read the article, it's talking about him pushing, the global economy. So definitely check that out, guys. I don't want to read it right now. I'm just trying to, get you guys informed on the market with the market moves right now. But yeah, feel free to come to my Twitter page, read it for yourself, and tell me what you think. Comment on there, and also make this when XRP moons. Y'all better retweet the heck out of this. I always like to share this with you guys because I seriously believe that this is gonna go viral when XRP moons. When XRP moons, I told you so. So let them know. You plaster it everywhere you go. Let them know when XRP moons. Tell them I told you so. All right, but next one I'm gonna go to EOS and then we'll get on to Tezos. But looking here, EOS. Let's take out some EOS. Man, EOS is shattering all my spots that I had. Let me see. EOS. So looking at EOS on the weekly time frame on the left side, it's facing some resistance right now, which is fine, but we have a bullish cross, so honestly anything could happen in the crypto world. I'm not looking, I believe that anything is possible in this crypto space at this point. If you look on the hour time frame over here to the right side, you can see that this market is very parabolic. It is very strong. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me see, where's that tool? Here it is. So right in here, you look here, this market is pretty parabolic. Let's see right there. So I'm liking this market. I'm just praying to God that everybody that's invested in any, because everybody wants to win, right? But let me tell y'all the reality of the financial world, especially you newbies that are investing in in anything. If the crypto is your first investment, I want y'all to understand that there has to be losers in order for there to be winners. That's just how the financial markets goes. In stocks, there has to be a loser, there has to be a winner. That's why they have bulls and bears. Bulls and bears can't both win. If bulls and bears are both winning, what it means is that the market's just moving sideways. That's all that is. So in a sideways market, bulls and bears are winning, but you can't have a sideways market in crypto space forever. So somebody has to win, and we're wanting the bulls to win right now. For most of these cryptocurrencies, the bulls are winning so far. So what I see here on EOS, I'm not really a huge person on EOS, but if you do look here on EOS, there is, let me see right here, we do have this resistance right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this red, because this could be a reversal, could be, but it's not. It's not definite right now. So I'm gonna put a red line here, and now we have it over here, because anything could literally happen right in this area, because we are at this resistance here. If you look at the cloud on this time frame, let me show y'all. Let me get y'all a bigger look here on the weekly chart. So if you look here on the weekly chart of EOS, this is clearly resistance. All this cloud is resistance. This whole cloud is resistance. What needs to happen, and we need to, get through, at least up to this point. So let's see, where would that take us? That would take us to the $5.62 range. But I don't know if it'll go that high, so I'm going to put it here at that $5.01 range. So this is what I'm looking at in EOS right now off the weekly time frame. Long term, another spot that I would be paying attention to for EOS is hidden. It's very hidden, but it's right here, and that's at $4.22. So I would definitely be watching these ranges. If anything, I think it would hit that $4.22 range. Then we'll probably see some lag, and then it'll decide whether it wants to drop or not. But that's all I see for EOS. There's nothing really big here. Going to Tezos now, a fan favorite. Tezos. So Tezos is on the move, it looks like. Let's see. Let me see. So last time I looked at Tezos, where was I? I was actually on the daily time frame, so let me check that daily time frame for you guys. All right, so here we go. So market's still, you know, moving. It's still flat. Honestly, I think it was the 4 hour. Yeah, it's the 4 hour. So yeah, here it is. So I said that the market's flat here. It did, you know, cut through this. So now this confirms that this market's in a range. So I could take this trend line off now. So now that we established that this market's in a range here, there's not much to really say for Tezos because it's just flat. Nothing's gonna happen with Tezos until we break below that $3.94 level, or if we break above that $4.43 level, and that $4.47 level. So you got that red spot and this black spot here. So we're not doing nothing as far as Tezos. If you're gonna even touch Tezos as a trade, or you're gonna have to do this. All right, so bear with me. Hold on a second, you guys. So you're gonna have to take off the clouds if you're a cloud trader. You know, zoom out, really zoom out. And what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to box this market in right here. So this is exactly what you're gonna have to do. Maybe, no, I would actually come right in here, right there. So this is the market right now for Tezos. It's not doing nothing too special. It's just moving sideways. There's really nothing here to trade, you guys. You just have to wait till it breaks out. Is it gonna break out bullishly? I hope so. But this is how you get better at your investing skills. You wait for certain levels to break. I would look for. Let me actually mark this level, these levels too. So you would wait for that breakout right there and right in here. Once we get that break outside, you know, this rectangle, that's when you take your opportunity to, you know, find a position in the market, whether you're day trading or investing. If you're investing, I guess it really doesn't matter if you're, you know, long term, because if you're investing is a long term, day trading is not the same thing. So you have to look at it respective in its proper respect. If you're trading this, make sure you play your cards right inside this, you know, rectangle. And if you're investor, you know, it really doesn't matter. You could invest literally anywhere and not be too affected unless you trade the high, like the high. But right now, I don't think Tezos is at a all-time high. Let me see. Oh, actually it is, huh? Okay, I'm tripping. Yeah, actually it is at an all-time high. You know what's crazy? Dang, I kind of wish that I had put some money into Tezos back then, because when I first looked at Tezos, if y'all go back to my old videos on here, I used to do analysis on Tezos. The very first time I looked at Tezos, it was around, where was it at? Actually, it was on the daily time frame. Let me check. But it was like at around $2 at that time. And when I saw that, I said, you know what? Maybe I'll invest in it. It never did. But man, looking at it now, I kind of wish I did. It was right in here. Actually, it was like $1 something. Right in here where I called Tezos to, you know, rocket to the upside, and it did. Then it dropped back down, and then came back down here, then rocketed again. So I actually wish I invested in here, because I would have made a pretty good penny. But you live and learn. But Tezos, there's nothing really going on with Tezos right now as far as day trading. Investing wise, it's still a good project. I would probably look at it to invest in. Let's see, Tron. Wow, Tron is actually barking today. Okay, let's see. What's the comments today? What are y'all saying? Let me see. So, let's see. Let me catch up with y'all. 85% XRP, 15% Tezos, hard hold. Yeah, those are some good holds, Action Jackson. Those are going to be some holds to have long term. So, you know, remember me when you balling, right? Remember me. Let's see. 10% consulting fee, my friend. Let's see. I watch you on and off. I'm still unsure about privacy coins. Which privacy coins are you talking about? Action Jackson, you're saying no more diversity. LOL. Sold all my other coins and profits and stacked Tezos and XRP. Thanks for the profits. Yeah, Link too. Yeah, Link is taking off. If no one's in Link, I feel bad for them. Link is actually doing pretty well right now. 4% staking on Coinbase too. Yeah, I heard that. So that's actually a good one to look into right now. Tron is super simple. I don't even have to do too much analysis on Tron right now. It broke this high. So actually, I'm just monitor it on this one. Let's see. Dang, that's actually a good level that it broke. Yeah, this is going strong. This is going really strong. I have nothing negative to say about Tron right now. And it just broke up. Yeah, this after this daily close, this thing's taken off. Let me see that weekly's showing, because it just made a new high too. Let me see. Yeah, look at how strong this move is. Oh yeah, if you're going, invest in some Tron. Then I'm not even. This ain't even a financial advice. This is just, if you miss out, well, dang. Let's see, what color do I want that? Honestly, let me see where this is going, because this actually might go to a. Let's see. Let me go to the lower time frame and see if I could find an N wave formation, so I could play off of that. Okay, so here we could play off this one. It actually might be completed already, or getting close to being completed. But here's a potential N wave right in here, right there. Actually, right there. So if it does manage to go higher, I would look at the 2-cent range to 3-cent range for Tron. So I think it'll get up to here. The momentum that it's bringing right now currently is looking pretty good. That'll be a 20% gain right there. So we'll see how that plays out. I'm not going to jump in just yet until it breaks that high right here. So until it breaks this high, that's when I would start getting into this market. But this looks good though. It looks really good. You got everything bullish on all time frames pretty much. Let me see this. The only thing I don't like is that this cloud is, that the Kijun's flat here. So, but before we get that increase, there may be a pullback, probably to this level, maybe even here. But there might be some type of pullback and then that increase to the upside. So we'll see. But this is looking very strong to the upside. 2 hours and 20 minutes, 21 minutes until this weekly, or no, till this 4 hour, no, yeah, until this weekly candle closes, and about 2 hours and 21 minutes until this 4 hour candle closes. So yeah, this market's looking solid, really solid. Link, everybody's favorite one, Link. I don't know why Link's been on a tear lately. Cause does anybody have any news on Link? Why Link has been going crazy the last couple days and weeks? I want to know. But Link has done some crazy moves, and it got to this range like I thought it would. If y'all remember, I had put up an N wave. I don't know why I deleted that. I feel sad now. But I had put up an N wave on here. I think it was at this point. No, not there. Where was that N wave at? Well, anyway, I had said it would get up to this range. I don't know why. But anyway, I think it was an N wave that I had seen here that made me, look at this area, saying, oh, it's going up higher. So yeah, I think it's gonna reach $20 soon. This is getting some momentum. I think it's gonna make some crazy new highs. This weekly candle is about to close pretty strongly. Looking at it on the daily time frame, let's take a look. Yeah, looking at it on the daily time frame, it looks pretty. Oh yeah, so here's the N wave. So yeah, now I remember how I got this because it was off the daily time frame. So here we go. It was either at this point or this point. I'm pretty sure it was this point. No, not that point, so maybe a little bit lower. Okay, I guess it wasn't. But anyway, we are pretty close. But yeah, I said once it broke out this box, and it did, you see what happened. It moved up higher. I'm still trying to figure out how I came up with this, though. I don't know. Why is it not lining up? See, y'all gonna have to. I might have to watch my live stream, my last live stream, and figure out why I said this area. But it's here now. So right now, they're gonna be watching this market. What needs to happen on this time frame for it to go higher? We might need to actually play this on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. So yeah, here we go. 1 hour time frame. What needs to happen in order for, chain link to move higher? Because right now, if y'all notice, it's in a range here and here. And you could argue here too, but what I'll do, I'll just clone this line and just go from there. So right here, this is where we're at. Looking at it, we're stuck in here until we get a bounce off the cloud and move to the upside, or until we get a break at this level and a dip to the downside. So honestly, this is anybody's market at this point. Facing new highs, could result in some disastrous losses too. So I'm gonna put this trend line right in here just in case, and then I'm gonna put this right in here because it might start a new like flag formation or channel. So we do have this ricocheting off the cloud and then ricocheting off the trend line here. So we'll see how if it ricochets off this bottom trend line. If it does, this is what I'm expecting. So right now I'm gonna say we're in a 50-50 level for link right now. So if we do break, I see this happening to the upside, and if we do fail and we break through this here, expect this link start to drop lower. So I will be watching this area right in here. This is the area that you definitely want to watch. So I will just monitor this. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna make this like a blue. All right, so that's what I have for links in an interesting place. I'm not gonna say anything too much for link. I still do believe that it hit $20. It actually already did hit 20, but I think it'll probably move a little bit higher. Then we'll start to see it decline. If not, we'll see that decline sooner in this bubble here, and then you'll see that drop probably to this level, probably even to this level. But that's to be seen. Right now, it's just a patient game. No real indication on what direction it wants to really move in yet. So that's just going to be a waiting game right there. Now let's go ahead and go to the next one. Let's see. We got VeChain now. Anybody that's a fan of VeChain, let me know. Any fans of VeChain in here, let me know. Let me see. FOMO for link. Just some fun. You think it's just FOMO for link, Shu? Maybe it is some FOMO. Because I know they have a decent use case too, but do you think they really started a use case for link? I don't think they have. I think it is a combination of FOMO and then speculation of what the project could do. You said damn cartoon frog marines. You don't trust Russian link frogs. You sold all them for XRP. Dang, man, you are the face of XRP right now. Oh man. Oh, let me see this one. This one's interesting. So looking here, if I take off everything and zoom out, if I look to the right side of the screen, looking at this is what I immediately saw. Right in here. Yeah, right in there. So what needs to happen, and it might actually happen soon, it actually might make its decision very soon. If it manages to break above here, wow, this thing could take off. Let me make sure, let me check out the 4-hour chart. Not that one. I want to look at this side. So yeah, we're looking like we want to break to the upside right here. It did come up here, but it got stopped right here. Then came back down to test this level. Looking at it long term, if I'm right, let's see. I see this move right in here. Also, another thing is this right in here. So if price is going to move higher, even if it does break out of this triangle, this P wave formation, what needs to happen? It needs to also break out of this 2 cent level. Or is this in Satoshi's? Yeah, this is in Satoshi, so I might be off. But looking at it, it needs to break this level here, and then it needs to even reach back up into this level. So this red zone, I'm going to put it off for a minute until we get past here. Because when it comes to the market, you got to understand these levels, these fractal levels play a major role in price deciding where it wants to go. Looking at it on the daily, it looks pretty solid. So I can see us getting back up in this range, but it's got to take some work. The market is still flat according to the daily time frame. But looking at it on the 1 hour to the right side of the screen, we need to break this current level to reach right in here. And once we break that level there, the next level I would definitely look at to even consider, taking, taking profit off the table is right in here. So we definitely got to touch this one, break through to reach this level. So that's how you would trade this. And if you do trade this, your first take profit would be about a 5% gain, which is not bad. People that hold their money in banks, if you have a savings account, your bank account doesn't even make even a percent, doesn't even make 1% in a year. So making 5% in a few days or a few hours, that's better than holding your money in a bank account. And if you catch this, if it does reach this level, that's a 14% gain right there. So yeah, I would take that over anything. So you guys tell me. You guys tell me. But that's what I see for VeChain right now. If it breaks to the downside, which I don't see that happening right now, I don't see that happening unless there's something on the weekly that I'm missing. Well, if it does break to the downside, it will come back to this red line here. So that's what I would pay attention to, but it doesn't look too bad. No, it doesn't look too bad at all. So I'm gonna stick with my first analysis. I think it's gonna go back to the upside, and then we'll see price get funny when it gets to these levels here. So we'll see very soon. Looking at the next one, where we at? So we just made it halfway through, you guys. We are halfway through. Let's see this one. Yeah, this one's simple. I'm not going to do too much analysis on this one. We still got this W formation, this double bottom here. We still got it moving up. Once we break this this pink high here, I expect prices to move back up to that 29-cent level. This is Cardano, so yeah, that will be a 105% return right there. Actually, hold on, let me make sure I got that line right. 102% return right there. So I'm not even gonna bother looking at this one. I already know this one. Once it breaks that level, then that's what I'm gonna look for. If it doesn't, it's just gonna come back to this red line, then get some more momentum back to the upside anyway. I don't see any cryptos failing right now unless it doesn't have any use case. I think they're gonna do a shakeout for crypto space, and I'm not talking about a drop. What I'm talking about is they're gonna start getting rid of some cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, very soon. I do remember Brad Garlinghouse say there was going to be 90% of cryptos are going to disappear. So we're going to see how true that really is in the near future. Let's see. Let's go to Matic. Anybody got some Matic? I want to know what y'all think about this Matic. Oh, Matic already hit its targets. Matic hit 1, 2, 3 targets. Let's see here. Yeah, it hit all of its targets. So, wow. If anybody was on my live stream a few days back here, yeah, back in here, I had called this move to the upside. So, I already smashed all 3 of those targets. Wow. Impressed. Let's see. Is it going to go higher? I think this is going to go higher just looking at it on the 1 hour time frame. I don't know how much higher, but it is going to go a little bit higher. And even on the 4 hour, you can see it. But if y'all don't see this thing is parabolic right now. Let me fix this a little bit. Bring that out to the edge. Bring that over. Yeah, this thing's pretty parabolic right now. So y'all see that on the 1 hour, and you can see it on the 4 hour too, how it formed. So right now, what's happen here is it has to make its decision if it's going to continue up to the upside or range. Now, if it starts ranging, that's when y'all should be a little worried. So I got this move here to the upside. Make a new high right in here. Yeah, that's what I got right now. Alright, so that's it for Matic. Matic was pretty simple. I don't see nothing wrong with Matic right now. Litecoin. Can I skip Litecoin, you guys? Anybody really invested in Litecoin? I thought Litecoin disappeared already. Litecoin's almost as bad as Bitcoin. Man, why is the Litecoin even here? Litecoin's that cousin at the cookouts that causes trouble. Litecoin looks like it. I don't even know yet. Actually, let me look even better. Litecoin looks like it wants to drop, according to at least the hour time frame. Let me see. We could look at the daily. Daily, the daily, let me see. Actually, I don't want that. Let me see here. So daily looks alright. You got that Bronchosaurus, long neck dinosaur formation in the cloud happening right here. Then you have everything. I just don't like Litecoin here for something. I don't know. Something's off about Litecoin in my opinion on the 1 hour time frame. Let me check that weekly cloud. Yeah, see, I don't trust that. Look here, you guys. I think Litecoin's about to drop again. You got a lot of resistance here. Like there's so much resistance here on Litecoin. I don't know how it's gonna hold, So I think Litecoin's gonna drop back down. Looking at the weekly chart, I think it's gonna drop back down to that $51 level for Litecoin, which is not bad. It's just, I don't know. I don't see Litecoin doing too well. Also, well, if you're looking at the, let's see, if you're looking at the daily here, it could drop down to $53. But looking at that weekly time frame, it looks like it wants to drop lower. So I'm gonna be watching that one too. It looks like it's starting to slow down on the daily time frame on the left side. It looks like it doesn't want to push too much higher, and we're getting a weak cloud. The only thing I like on the daily on the daily time frame is that Kijun is pointing up and Sequence A is up too, and that's only because price needs to. The reason why B's not up is because price needs to break that $65 level. Once that $65 level is broken, then I'll give Litecoin a chance. But right now, I'm not buying Litecoin. Like, I'm not feeling it. Let's see. Algo. I heard Algo's been on a tear too. I don't know how it's worth more than XRP right now. That's crazy to me. It's the new kid on the block that takes all the girls in school, or that foreign exchange kid with the nice accent that the girls like. That's Algo. But I don't know. Algo is interesting. Let's see. Let me see some of these comments. VeChain is a good long-term hold. Yeah, VeChain's a good long-term hold. Bitcoin, please buy. No, don't buy Bitcoin, man. Abdul, man, no. Why you a fan of Bitcoin, man? One of these days we're gonna have a sit down, and I'm gonna have to tell you the truth about Bitcoin. Litecoin costs more than XRP. I don't know how. Litecoin is. I think Litecoin also came out before XRP as well, so not saying too much, but it is what it is. Algo. Algo looks good. I just don't. On the weekly, it's just flat. On the daily, let's take a peek. No, actually, on the daily, it's flat. My bad. On the weekly, it's solid. It's very solid on the weekly. Looking at it on the 4-hour, let's take a peek. So on the 4-hour, it's pretty good. It's just in a range right now. It looks like it's about to make a bearish TK cross because it's getting in that zone over here. But one thing that is good right now, it's making higher lows. So I see this happening right now. It is moving higher, of course. But, price needs to, and I'm actually going to zoom in for this one. Price needs to get above here and above below here. So right now it's just in a range. Now if I go to a lower time frame, let me take a peek at what Algo looks like. So this Algo on the 15-minute chart. Let me take off the clouds real quick. Let me see what this is looking like for real. So I see a P wave here. I'm about to mark it up real quick. But I do see a P wave here on Algo. So I think it's either accumulation or a distribution zone that we're in or creating right now. I think the market is trying to figure out what it wants to do. So until you get a break here, I wouldn't touch it just yet. But if you get a break to that upside, expect some newer highs, or at least, to test these levels out. Let me see. This will be your take profit 1. and then take profit 2 will be up here, and then if it breaks past there, expect some new highs to be made. So right now I'm gonna give, so these are the targets right here and right in here. So for now, that's where the targets will be at to the upside. Momentum might pick up for algo, so that will give you a 16% increase in your portfolio on algo if it is to go to the upside, which will give you, that will go up to about the 75-cent level, which is currently sitting at the 64-cent level currently. So that's not a bad increase, so take advantage of that while y'all can. I'm skipping a ETC, not worth my time. We'll go to straight to Bitcoin, XRP versus Bitcoin. So we're gonna look at that. Let's see. So far, it's doing exactly what I've been saying it would. Let me show you guys on the daily time frame real quick, because I said this is where we looked at it last down in here, and I said we have this potential N wave forming. So we do have a bounce here, so it is making it some bounce to the upside. Looking at it, we do need to get above this level, and that's what I was worried about. So I said if we don't get above this level, expect the market price to start fluctuating, and probably until it hits the cloud, then probably bounces off the cloud to get some momentum. If not, then this N wave here would be invalid, which is fine. You just got to play by what you see, not by how you feel. So this is still on the table. This move could still happen, but we need to break this level here. And actually, I should really zone this. So between these two black lines, this is where we need to break to the upside. Gotta get above this one and this one, take off. But right now, that's it for this one. This one's pretty simple. 15-minute time frame. Let's take a peek. If I zoom out some more. Zoom out some more. So 15 is not looking too bad. Ooh, excuse me. See, I didn't sleep, you guys, man. I'm telling you, I had lack of sleep. But looking at on the 15, it's not looking too bad. It looks like it may want to go higher. Right in here. I would just wait for that breakout of the P wave right in here. Where's my line at? So right in here. Wait for that P wave breakout. Take that trade up or down. Whatever direction this goes, which looks like it wants to move higher. So take that trade up or down, depending on what you see in this market. That'll be a nice percentage too going to the upside. Let's see. Right in here, 2%, and then so on and so forth. So let's see, about right here. I'm gonna say it'll make a 5% jump before, you know, doing anything else. Let's see here. So OMG USD. Let's take a peek at it. Wow, it shattered that target. So looking at it here on the daily time frame, like I said, you guys, gotta have extreme patience when you trade this. Right here, remember I said it's going to be ranging between this red level and this $1.89 level, and now you finally had that breakout right in here, and you see what happened with the price it took off. Now it looks like it's having some fight up here, so I'm gonna mark this $3 level. It's $3.85 level. So definitely pay attention to this level, see how price responds here. I can now remove the, actually no, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna remove this one, and I'm gonna go to the weekly time frame, see what's happened at that $3.85 range. So okay, so that's actually a new high, that $3.85 range. So since the market made a new high, expect to see some battle. When it comes to new highs in the market, you got to understand, if it's in uncharted territory, you got to watch that daily time frame, and you got to watch that hour time frame. those 2 time frames, and even the 4 hour, you got to watch those 2 time frames the most. It'll definitely save your butt from a bad investment. Daily time frame for sure. What I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna just leave this as is. There's not much I could say here on OMG. This daily candle has a close, even though it's a very strong bullish close. We still got some rejection here, which is interesting. So we need to see how this daily candle closes first before we make a full decision. So I'm gonna wait on that one. Looking at the next one, which is Neo USD. So we finally just broke out of this range in here. Let's actually go to the 4-hour chart. So like I said, we had all this range here. We actually finally just broke out of here. So this is actually a good sign. We still got a whole hour and 54 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. So I'm not really, I wouldn't get too excited just yet until this green line, creeps up out of this cloud as well off the weekly chart. And let's see, let's take a peek here. Yeah, this is what I like here. It's starting to creep out. So this could be a long-term buying opportunity for Neo. So if that's the case, let me see. If you're day trading, you definitely want to look at this level. And then also the next level that you want to probably, look at if it decides to break higher, be right in here. Maybe even in here too. So I'm going to zone this. I'm going to say right in here. This will be the level that I would pay attention to. And I think it could reach that $17 level, which will give you 11% increase right there. Just looking at the momentum of this market based off the weekly time frame, I think market will move up higher, and maybe a small pullback on the lower time frames, but overall I see 17 cents being a target. I said $17 being a target. Let's go to hot is still has the moves. You still have this N wave playing out. Looking at it here, it finally broke out of this box here. I just don't like this chart because you look how much teleportation this thing has. You're teleporting here, you're going up. It's hard to monitor this crypto because it's all over the place. But if you're just playing it off the weekly time frame, then be careful because you're inside this cloud still, which is still resistance here. And if you look to the left, this area is known as a strong area of resistance. So I'm expecting that this market could possibly start moving lower based off the weekly. But you see here, you gotta, actually this might actually come down because you got this formation right here. So let me give y'all an education lesson. Boom. You could argue and say that this is a hanging man pattern, or you could argue and say that this is a evening star or a morning star formation, which happens at resistance. You got a bullish candle, then you got a bearish candle, and then you got a bearish engulfing candle, the previous candle. So this is a formation that looks like it wants to go to the downside. So I'm in favor of this market dropping. So how far? I think this market's got to drop back down to this level. So this is where I'm going to look for the market to drop down to. Wow, 42% drop. That'd be insane. It could very well happen. So we'll see. Looking at ICX. So I know, Rodney, if you're on this, you should be happy. I don't know if you're still on this live, but if you are still on this live, Rodney, yeah, your investment did pretty damn good. From this point up until where we're at now, yeah, your investment did really good. So I actually called it in down here to go up higher. Let's see. And it hit all 3 targets. It did hit that 4th one though, but it hit 3 targets. Hit that 1, 2, and that 3 right there. Now it looks like it's aiming to hit that 4th target. So let's see. Let's put this on the playing field for now. Back to this level for sure, which will be a 6% increase. The main target would be up here at this 65-cent level, which will give you a 19.40% increase. So that's what we're looking at right there. And the last one here, let's take a peek. Yeah, wow, it's holding that trend line. So, yep, it's you guys, y'all. Okay, guys, hold on. I have to do this. Y'all, so everybody that was on the last live stream, when I was doing all, forecasting all the crypto space, y'all can't tell me y'all didn't see me say that this would have happened. I gave y'all live analysis. You guys, it hit 1 target, 2 target, and now it's hitting its 3rd target. And look, I even had it marked up. It's based off this N-wave formation, you guys. So, this could be y'all. I'm telling y'all could do the same thing I'm doing. And I'm teaching people how to read these charts. I want y'all to understand that reading these charts is not that difficult. It's just taking the time to learn the market, learn the structure, learn price action, learn how to read the candles. And I make it simple for you guys. Like, y'all learning how to do it watching me. But you guys, if y'all want to really get into the meat of the market, let me teach y'all. Join my Discord group. Let me teach y'all how to do this. Because I even gave y'all this whenever I called this out. And boom, y'all see that it already hit 3 targets. Now we're looking to hit that 4th one if we manage to get above this current level. But this is a new market, but it looks strong. It looks very strong. As long as it's above this trend line, this market's going to hit that 63 cent level. So that's what I see in the crypto space, you guys. I think that it's, the crypto space is pretty strong right now. We'll see how everything, holds off for the next couple of weeks, especially when we get into October. That's when I think the market's really going to start getting wild. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. Like this video, share it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I went through all these cryptos here. I went through how many pairs today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I went through 20 cryptos today. So, you guys, the crypto space it's ready. Some of these cryptos are ready. So, you gotta be patient. Just watch the market and learn how to read the charts. If you guys want to learn how to read charts, message me on Twitter. Maybe even Instagram. If y'all have Instagram, reach out to me and I'll definitely help y'all learn how to read these charts. But y'all are seeing me do this live in front of y'all. Y'all better take advantage and learn. I'm telling y'all can make so much more money instead of just holding these assets. I'm telling you guys, you can 10x your account if you trade. I'm telling you, learn it to do it the right way. Let me see some of these comments and then I'm gonna head out. I got to get ready for later and get rested up a little bit. CHZ is the coin Americans will sleep on. Yeah, Rico, this is my first time seeing you, so what's up on the live, man? If you are, if you liked what you saw today, definitely subscribe and, definitely stay tuned for the next live stream. I'm trying to do these daily. Let's see. Didn't algo break weekly resistance? Your target might be very conservative. No, when it comes to that because I'm a day trader, you have to play it like that. You can't say it's gonna 10x in like a day because that's not realistic. It's possible, but when it comes to trading, day trading, or you can't look at the market like that. You have to look at the market objectively. So I would say conservative is the answer. I would definitely not say that. But I appreciate that sub, Rico. I appreciate that a lot. definitely stay tuned for the next one, because I'm gonna be doing a XRP live tomorrow at 8 p.m. Central Time. So stay tuned for that. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. Definitely stay tuned for the next live stream. XRP, you know what it is. Smash that like button and continue to come back and continue to hold strong, because the crypto space is about to take off. All right, love you guys. God bless you guys. I'm praying for you guys. Stay tuned for the next, and peace.